I started in about 1988.
1988. That was the year after I got married. So that's 36 years.
That's marvellous. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's Cokehampton because it's next to the Coke store.
That's
what
correct.
It used to be in your
Correct.
basement.
And the reason I gave it a name was I had to. Because Jack Ray came along. You know Jack
Oh yes,
Ray?
yeah, I know. Remember?
And
Jack.
he said to me, I have to give a name for the layout because I want to refer to it in some of my writing. So I thought, well, I got Cokehampton.
Did Jack ever come and
Yes.
film? He did come and film it.
I think he did. He came here anyway. Yes, he did.
Okay, I'll have a look and see if I
Yeah.
can find it because
Yes, okay.
I'm the custodian of the Guild the video collection as well.
Ah,
As
marvellous.
doing this.
Marvellous. Well, certainly Jack Ray came and actually stayed here for a couple of nights. And I've kept all his letters. And but I don't know whether he he must have photographed it. He must have done, but I don't remember that.
Well, I will have a look when I
Yes,
go
okay.
home. I've got all the slideshows
Yeah,
and I've got all the old VHS
Ah, great.
stuff. I converted it
Yeah.
so that it it's not publicly available. It's
No.
only available through the
No, okay.
because dear old Jack had a bit of an alarming habit of using copyrighted music.
Yes, he had. You're quite right.
Yeah,
I remember it well. Yeah.
And it causes an issue with YouTube.
Oh, does it?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that.
yeah, it causes an issue with YouTube. So
But Jack Ray, I had to make a lot of dealings with Jack Ray, and he's a very nice fellow. Yeah, very nice fellow.
well, my wife
Yeah.
managed to get him to sign a copy of his book. So
Really?
yeah, I've got a signed copy of his book.
Oh,
at home,
jolly
so,
good. Now, which book was that? Because I'm in one of his books.
it's the paperback one.
Ah. Is that the one dealing with several layouts?
I can't remember.
Well, it
offhand.
doesn't matter. But I'm in one book he wrote, the one where he discussed a lot of layouts,
Yeah.
and I'm in that one.
Oh right.
And
Okay.
so, and I've got copies of it somewhere. But dear old Jack Ray, he had a flair for writing, actually. In
Yes.
fact, he was always writing.
Yeah.
He he couldn't help himself. Good old Jack.
No, I remember him when I was in my 20s. I remember him very well.
Yeah. Well, he used to sell to schools. I don't know what he sold, textbooks or stationery. Anyway, he sold. He used to travel around schools selling equipment.
Yes.
Yeah. But I liked old Jack.
And my wife liked him as well.
Yeah,
So
nice fella.
yeah.
Nice fella. Well, that's life, isn't it?
Well,
Come
yeah.
and go. Yeah.
And you read all your gazettes and everything. And you must have been a member of the guild for a few years.
Oh, I have. Years and years. I'm 94.
94.
Yes.
Well, you're doing wonderfully for your age.
Well,
That's all I can
actually,
say.
I know I am. A long way it lasts. It's touched a lot of wood, you know.
Do you know John Castle?
No. Well, tell me more about it. Maybe I've met
John
him.
Castle's the farmer up in the Fens.
Oh, no, I don't know.
You don't know him.
No.
He's similar age to you.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's got a railway which is LNER based.
Oh,
but
yeah.
But it's very much in this manner. It's
Oh, yeah.
sort of in, I think it's in an old cowshed and it's in different bays.
Oh, different bays, yeah.
Yeah, all the different
With
bays.
tunnels.
And with tunnels in between.
Yeah.
It does resemble this.
Oh, yes.
So,
Yes, I see. Yeah. Well, I really ought to look up the. I've got a note of it when we started to build it, but I forget the dates now.
Yeah.
Anyway. And filled the dip with rainwater. Resin.
Love it.
Yeah. God, he's a genius. It's in a dog bone formation, and it takes at approximately reasonable scale speed. It takes about 2.25 minutes to do the same. There's Bigson.